In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel your Namecheap VPN subscription in just 5 minutes. Whether you're switching to a new service or simply taking a break, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the entire process to make it as seamless as possible. So let's dive right in. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Namecheap website at namecheap.com. This is where all your account management will take place. Once you're there, you'll need to log in using your credentials. If you don't remember your password, make sure to reset it to proceed further. Once you're logged in, turn your attention to the upper left corner of the screen. Next to the Contact Us button, you'll see your username displayed. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Now from this menu, select the option that says Dashboard. This will take you to the primary area where you manage all your services. Upon arriving at the dashboard, you'll notice a navigation panel on the left. Here, you'll want to click on the Apps section. This is where all your applications, including your VPN subscription, are listed. To proceed, go ahead and select the Subscriptions tab. This tab acts like your control center for managing all ongoing services you have with Namecheap. Now within the Subscriptions tab, you should find your VPN subscription, displayed as EasyWP. To initiate the cancellation process, locate the subscription you wish to cancel and look for a toggle switch next to it. Simply switch this toggle to the off position. You'll notice it turns grey, signaling that your subscription is no longer set to renew automatically for the next billing cycle. This means it will automatically cancel after the current period you have paid for comes to an end. If you're looking to cancel your EasyWP subscription right away instead of waiting until the end of the billing cycle, reaching out to Namecheap's support team is the way to go. They're available 24/7, ready to assist you further in processing an immediate cancellation should you need it. Keep in mind, once your cancellation request is processed, or if you decide to cancel with immediate effect, your website and all its content stored through this subscription will be removed from their servers permanently. So consider backing up any data you may need before going through with the cancellation. And there you have it. Follow these steps and you'll have successfully cancelled your Namecheap VPN subscription. If you found this video helpful or have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more informative guides just like this one.